Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 111 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today we are on exercise 162 and finishing up our triplets.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So yesterday we had 161, which was so tricky. It caught me by surprise. I'm not going to let this one catch me by surprise because it's basically the same thing in terms of the big movements of the scale degrees, with the exception that instead of going up on the triplet, it's going down. So if you notice, we still have the same scale degree points as the anchor note. If you remember us talking about the anchor note in the triplets, right? It's the note that is in the beginning and at the end of the triplet. The note in the middle is like the varying note. So that can go up or that can go down. So here we have this downward motion. But these are still the same scale degrees. So, what we're going to do, which I didn't think of yesterday, what we're going to do today is before each one of these little sections, we're going to sing the scale degrees, just plain, like plain notes. Then we're going to do the triplet. Okay, it's going to be a really great experience because it's going to help you understand this exercise a little bit better and give you a better sense to practice this on your own. Okay, so 162, we've got this B, D sharp, F sharp, B, then D sharp, then back to B, F sharp, D, and B. So if you're confused about where I'm getting those notes from, just remember it's the first note of the triplet, okay? So let's just sing that together. Now listen. We come to the C sharp instead of the B. Okay, so that's important to notice. So let's give that a try and let's just sing that kind of slowly, but with that in mind. So we're going to be going down on the triplet. Da da da. Right? So we've got there you go. You hear that? So that's not going to mess us up today. Messed us up yesterday, not today. Okay, so now this next one, we're going to sing the C sharp, F sharp, right? We're not going back down to the C sharp, we're going to the D sharp, okay? So now we've got this, okay? Now let's sing this D sharp. E natural, did you notice that? Okay, so now we've got this. Okay, there we go. We're getting the hang of this right now, starting on that E natural. F sharp. Okay, there we go. I should read ahead. Would help. So we had that E natural and then ending on that F sharp. So let's try that. Okay, now F sharp. Pay attention. That's the tricky one, right? A sharp. That's going to be super tricky, okay? So you might want, let's do that again. So we've got. I just think kind of like 5-1, sad, right? I don't know. So think of something to help you remember that interval. Okay, next one. E. That one's trickier. Yeah, it's a different interval, right? Okay, but we can do it. Let's try it. Not so bad, right? No. Okay, let's give that a try. Okay, now we've got this. C sharp. That's easy because we know where tonic is. Okay, so we've got. And we did it. See? So that is not so bad when you break it down like that. And you know, I should have done that yesterday than making us all stumble through it. But now we're doing it today. So you can do that to yesterday's example as well. But I think that that's really helpful in understanding the basics of this exercise so then you can build up speed. I know I've had some comments about this, like, how do I get faster? Well, I think faster comes with an understanding of where you're going. You cannot go fast if you don't know where you're going. It just, you will go somewhere, right? So building that accuracy in your mind and that confidence about where you're moving to next is so important, okay?